What's up, everybody? Here I gotta make this video how make money on PPCall. PPCall, a lot of people don't know about PPCall, so it's kind of different pay method online. You gotta be more advanced on the traffic sources that you drive on. So let me show you what is PPCall. Just go right here to www.offerball.com. It's like CPA marketing, but different. You get paid for promoting a phone number. So just go right here and go right here on PPCall. So this is the networks that you have to apply and the companies that will pay you for a lead. Like this one, tax that Relife US. This is a CPA, so you gotta make it like a sale. Right here is a lead, long distance moving service. You get paid $18 per lead. So these companies give you like a phone number so you can promote instead of a site, a website. So you promote a phone number and people will call, and as long as the people stay for a couple of minutes listening to the recording number, you will get paid. I think it's like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, the longest. But you have a lot of offers right here on OfferBall that you can apply, like this on the networks that you can apply. I go mostly to the highest ones, since you promote on phone number, 24/7 info number. So I usually go with the highest ones, like legal mass, like legal people legal interested on the legal the business, in the legal business, like lawyers. They pay a lot because they charge a lot of people for consultant or appointment or whatever, since they know they're having issues with something, a problem with their house, losing their house, on divorce. They make a lot of money on those. I shouldn't be a lawyer, but nah, those lawyers, I don't know, they study a lot to make a lot of money. So like this one, Legal Mass Tort, they pay $80 per lead. When people call them, when they call them with your phone number that they give you, you get $80. Like they have a lot, like this one, drug and alcohol rehab, all US. I think I apply on this one too, and I'm getting right now I'm testing some campaigns, big ads, and it's converting pretty good. So they pay $20 to $400 a lead. I think I'm not sure. I gotta check my the network. I'm with Digital Market Meet. I just joined, but I see I got an email that I got like a lead or something. But bankruptcy, lawyers, 30. I go mostly with the highest one, like this one. Lawyers, I don't know how to promote, so I don't know. But I usually go with this because they pay you per lead. On CPA, it's like CPA marketing. They pay you per lead, like, I don't know, $2 per lead. You just promoting a website. But this one, you have to promote you can promote the website too, so they can the website will direct them to call them to their phone number. it's something advanced. I was involved in this before in 2013, 14, but I didn't really understand how it works and everything, because I was barely learning about traffic. But somebody told me about PPCall. I said, yeah, I'm barely learning, so I didn't really focus on that. But now, since I know about traffic of banks, Facebook ads, blogs, I know I've been studying a lot. I've been learning a lot. So I know how to drive traffic to any sites right now. So like this one, you can pick right now. You can pick which one you want. Like digital marketing, this is the best one, I think, because they have a lot of offers that pay off pretty good. And go up with the highest ones. This one, since they pay a high conversion rate. So yeah, I was involved this on CJ affiliate conversion in 2013. Yeah, I think in 2013, but I didn't really get it about the PPCall. But right now I'm driving traffic to a big ad. I'm learning I'm learning some new strategies on big ads, so be prepared on my next video on big ads. It's super awesome using the software. It's more easy than before. You just gotta, big ads is all about the keywords. You gotta find the right keywords that search on the people that search on the online, and that's it. Keywords. You gotta put a lot of keywords, but you gotta eliminate a lot of keywords that don't work, so you can pick the lowest pay per click. So you can pay the lowest, maybe, I don't know, like 0.03 cents. The lowest, I think. So it's about keywords. You gotta put a lot of keywords that work, and that's it. That's how it works in big ads. And I have a software, that's why I got involved again. Because before you used to do it manual, it takes a lot of time. It's like Facebook. It takes time on Facebook ads. But at the end of the day, it's worth it, because it's all about split testing. A lot of people don't know, but I do a lot of split testing. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose a lot of money. It's all about knowledge. Remember, don't do the same mistakes. That's what I notice about people. They try it 1 second and then they quit. No, you just gotta, okay, it happened. Okay, let's try the other way. And it works. But at the end of the day, you'll be making a lot of money with just one campaign. You don't need more campaigns, just one. And that's it. Like this one, I think I did one on which one? I don't even recall. Oh yeah, the legal credit repair. I was trying traffic, but I only got two calls. But this one, only one person listened to the 10 minutes, so it was 8 minutes or 10, I don't recall. But yes, it's all about being positive. If your mindset's so messed up and everything, don't join this business online, because you're not gonna make it happen. To tell the truth, if you're to tell the truth, I've been joining a lot of people. They say, yes, I want to join, I'm gonna make it happen and everything. But at the end of the day, they start complaining, I did everything. I understand, because I was in the same spot with them. But nah, I say, cool, whatever. And they say, nah, to tell the truth, Ivan, I thought I was gonna make a lot of money with your system and everything. And they start saying, no, that your system doesn't work. Okay, that's cool. It's because you don't know how to take action. And that's it. you know how to test and everything. Just wanna make money fast on the second day. No, they say no, it's not that. It's because I'll be losing a lot of money. Okay, that's cool, bro. It's not for you, so I just move on and do my thing. So yeah, I'm gonna put this training on the what I learned on PPCall, my CPA training. So it's gonna be on the highest level because you're gonna earn a lot of commissions, at least 100 per conversion. 80, at least 80. Sorry, $80 per conversion. So be prepared on my next level on CPA marketing on training site. So let's be in contact. You have questions or doubts, so we can make this shit happen. That's what I've been telling a lot of people on the phone. Let's make this shit happen. And they say yes, but at the end of the day, they're complaining. No, I didn't make nothing. They join my team, they start complaining. Your software didn't work, that I'm doing, that you promoting or whatever. Okay, I said, well, cool. I'm not gonna mention any names because there's a lot of people like right now. They don't like to hustle. They just want everything fast. Like they join something, they wanna do it. They just wanna they pay for something they want, but the next thing they wanna make a lot of money. But it's not, that shit is not gonna work. You gotta be consistent and persistent on this business, so you can make a lot of money, to tell the truth. So I'm gonna leave you with that, and thanks for watching the video. Bye.